As we age, our eyes lose strength. But nature offers a powerful ally. In today's video, we'll explore how a tiny seed, flaxseed, can help protect your eyes and preserve vision naturally. Vision decline is common with age. Conditions like macular degeneration, dry eyes, and cataracts become more frequent after 60 due to oxidative stress, poor circulation, and nutrient deficiencies. For healthy eyes, your body needs omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants like lutein, vitamin E, zinc and fiber. Together, they support blood flow, reduce inflammation, and nourish the retina. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces inflammation and supports retinal health. They're also packed with lignans, which fight oxidative stress, a major cause of macular degeneration. Studies show that ALA from flax seeds improves tear production, retinal blood circulation, cell regeneration, reduces dry eye symptoms. How can seniors add flax to their day? Combine flaxseed with these habits for best results. Wear UV protection glasses. Walk daily to boost circulation. Stay hydrated. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Do 2-minute eye exercises. Mix ground flax in yogurt or oats. Bake it into bread or muffins. Stir into smoothies. Or even flaxseed tea. A tiny spoon of flaxseed can make a big difference. Protect your eyes naturally, one seed at a time. Thumbs up, sign, like, bell, subscribe. Megaphone, share this with someone who cares about their vision.